letters are called compound letters. It means Murakab letters. When two or more letters join together, combine together in writing, they form a Murakab, and we pronounce each of the Murakab letters separately. For example, Lam, Alif, Ba, Alif, like this. We will read them separately, and make sure in this lesson we also read the letters from the pronunciations with makhrij. And when two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shape gets changed a little. Usually the head of the letter is written and the body is omitted. So we identify the letters which are the same when in the compound form by the difference in the numbers and position of dots. So let's get started. This is called alif, alif, lam, alif. So head of the lam is present. Lam, alif. This is also called lam, alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif. This is ba. The head of ba is written here. Ba, alif. This is also lam, alif. This is form of lam, alif. So we found three lam alif um, kinds. This is also lam alif, lam alif, lam alif. This is lam, we all know. This is lam alif. This is also the type of kind of lam alif. This is lam. This is ha. Lam, ha. Lam, alif, ba, lam, ba. This is ba in front because of dot below the ba. This is lam and this is ba. From where we read ba by the wet part of both lips. Kaf. This is also the kind of kaf, 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 ba. So kaf is joined with ba. Kaf, ba, kaf, alif.